Good morning from the Painted Hills in Oregon.
Yeah, we are on day 4 of not showering.
Good thing this isn't smell-o-vision.
Yeah, checked out our last video out in the Alvord Desert. We made the couple 100-mile trek up, and we stayed in the Ochino National Forest last night. Throw up a picture. I think I got one. And
today we're checking out the Painted Hills. We wanted to come here for a while now, so this was perfect. It is so beautiful out.
Oh my god.
Gosh.
All right, let's take in the sights and explore before we go home and shower. These are shots of Painted Hills Overlook.
It's about a half a mile one-way trail. So a mile altogether. It gives you a really good overview of
the land.
It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, all the different colors.
Yeah. All right, on to the next. I don't know what that is, but let's go explore.
We're just gonna keep driving.
Yeah. Now we've made it now we made the trek to Painted Cove Nature Trail. There's a
boardwalk.
Awesome boardwalk. It's like a little loop. So let's go.
Look at the
check this
colors.
out.
Holy moly.
Wow. Now we are at Red Hill Hiking Trail.
All right, let's go check out this red hill.
Okay.
All right. Oh man, there's no water. This is the end of the trail.
So sources say there's another trail, so
That one was a short-lived trail. So we're gonna go check out this other one here. Oh look, another trail.
oh man.
Well, let's go.
That is red / tan hill.
Front half is red,
We got a theory that
back half is tan.
that this side is tan because of the sun.
Possibly.
Possibly.
I don't know.
If anybody knows, leave it in the comments somewhere around here.
Down there, below.
But yeah,
It's an easy little jaunt. Not sure how long it is, but quick little trail.
anybody can do it.
Yep. All right, that is it from the Painted Hills.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh my gosh, this place is so gorgeous.
Yeah.
If you're ever down in this area, definitely check it out. It's free to drive around and do all the little hikes.
Yep.
And it's totally worth it. It is just beyond gorgeous.
Beautiful. Very beautiful. Very doable. Half a day.
Yeah.
Even a couple hours even.
Yeah.
Nice. You don't have to do all the hikes, but you can just
Drive around and take pictures.
Yep.
And they have little placards so you can learn about the landscape as well. So
Yep.
definitely
Amazing.
come check it out. But that is it for our time. So
Yep.
we are hitting the road for
5 hours.
a 5-hour drive back home.
Yep.
It's been an awesome 5 days in the southeast part of Oregon.
Yeah.
And time to head back to Southwest Washington. So
Let's go.
thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures. And we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.